here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Hannah, I cannot believe that you said UNCW students are going back to school on Wednesday.
This summer flew by.
It is so sad, and our sun sets a little bit before 8 o'clock now.
I know. I noticed that the other night. I was like, it's just earlier and earlier each day.
Don't tell me I don't want summer to end. Well, we had some beautiful weather this past weekend. Let's take a look at our time lapse what we have from CFCC's dock down in the Cape Fear River. Yeah, it was a beautiful one. You see all the boats out there enjoying the day as well, and then that sun setting a little bit before 8 o'clock. You see that sun going down. So yeah, really nice day today. We've had this long stretch of really nice weather, and for today, official number at the ILM airport, 87 degrees, right where we should be for this time of year. Started out a little bit on the cooler side this morning at 67 degrees, but look at there, no rainfall once again today, just had sun-filled skies. Temperatures have cooled down into the 70s, 76 degrees at the airport, dew point at 70, which is moderate for this time of year, where you see dew points normally into the middle 70s, and so not half bad right now, and our heat index right where our actual temperatures are at. Notice everybody in the 70s now, a little bit warmer though in Lumberton and Fayetteville at 79 degrees, Elizabethtown at 77, and cooler spots up in Kenansville and Jacksonville in the lower 70s. And we're seeing a little bit more clouds out there this night instead of the past couple of nights. We've seen a lot clearer skies, so we're going to keep temperatures a little bit warmer because of this, but notice we're not seeing any rainfall all the way from I-95 to I-40, but off to the south and west we're dealing with a lot of moisture, and it looks like some of this will be drawing up closer to us in the coming days. But overall, we've had some very quiet weather pattern for the last several days, and same thing with the tropics. Nothing of concern in the Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, but we do have an area of interest way out in the Atlantic Ocean in the eastern part of it, just off the African coast of Cape Verde. And this area of interest has a 50% chance of development over the next 48 hours. So something to keep an eye on for sure. It is Invest 96, has winds at 30 miles per hour, and it's going to continue to move west at 13 miles per hour. You see the spaghetti models there, still very far away from southeastern North Carolina. So yes, it is something to keep an eye on the coming days. We'll keep you updated as the latest model runs come through. But closer to home, high pressure has been full control of our weather pattern. This is actually going to swing offshore, allowing a boost in our humidity levels. So yes, we'll return back to the middle 70s by the middle part of the week, and some more storm chances in there as well. They've been very low over the past couple of days, but we'll see them really start to boost up, especially for our day on Tuesday. For the day tomorrow, it looks to be really nice. Start out with a few clouds out there. Temperatures not cooling off as we have seen in recent nights, and in the afternoon getting up to around 90 degrees, maybe an isolated shower, but I think overall chances are going to stay low for a Monday. Tuesday, maybe start out with an isolated shower, but I think it's just going to be a little bit more clouds that we're going to deal with. And then by the afternoon, seeing those darker colors really start to come into play, and those are decoding those heavier downpours that we could be seeing by, we'll say, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Definitely going to see a little bit more rain into our forecast. So have that in mind heading into Tuesday, but for our day tomorrow, it's going to be a pretty nice one. Lows tonight dipping down to around 70 degrees, partly cloudy skies. And for our day tomorrow, a lot of sunshine out there with a little bit more clouds in the afternoon. An isolated shower temperature is going to see around at 90 degrees here in Wilmington, a little bit warmer for our inland spots. Beach forecast, a nice one again, 83 degrees and a low risk for rip currents. Then we have 40% chance for storms on Tuesday into Wednesday. So a little bit better chance to see some storms, but rain, it's not too bad in this case. We kind of need it, and it kind of cools us off a little bit too.
That is true, but I did enjoy this weekend.
It was really nice, especially if you were out in the water or
surfing.
There you go. It was